The dolphin that saved a drowning man. The waves were wild that day. The sea roared like an angry god, swallowing everything in its path. And somewhere between life and death, a man prayed his last prayer before something miraculous happened. Michael Turner had always loved the ocean. He was a 32-year-old marine photographer from Florida, a man who believed he understood the sea. But that day, he learned that the sea had mysteries far beyond human understanding. It was early morning when Michael set out alone to capture the sunrise over the Gulf of Mexico. The air was calm, the water serene, until, without warning, a storm rolled in. Waves towered over his small boat. Lightning cracked across the sky. Within minutes, his camera gear, his phone, his hope, all gone. Then came the crash. A monstrous wave flipped his boat, throwing him helplessly into the freezing water. Michael gasped for air, salt water burning his lungs. He tried to swim, but the current dragged him under again and again. Hours passed, or maybe minutes. Time lost all meaning. His arms grew weak. His breath slowed. And as darkness closed in, he whispered, "God, please not like this." That's when he felt it, a sudden push from beneath him. Something warm, alive, moving with purpose. He opened his eyes, and there it was. A dolphin. It nudged him upward, keeping his head above water. When he drifted down again, it circled back, lifting him higher. Over and over, for miles, the dolphin kept him afloat, guiding him toward a distant shadow, the coastline. Each time he thought he'd sink, the dolphin returned. Each time he lost consciousness, he felt that gentle nudge, refusing to let him go. Hours later, a fishing boat spotted something strange, a dolphin swimming beside a man's body. They rushed over. When they pulled Michael out, he was barely alive, blue-lipped, trembling, unconscious. But as they hoisted him aboard, they saw it clearly. The dolphin lingered beside the boat. It didn't leave until Michael coughed, until he breathed. Then, as if satisfied, it swam away into the sunrise. Days later, when Michael woke up in the hospital, doctors told him something that gave him chills. He had drifted more than 12 miles offshore. No human could have survived that long. Not in those waters, not in that storm. But he did, because something beyond reason chose to keep him alive. He went back to the same beach months later. Every morning, he'd stand by the shore, scanning the waves, hoping to see that dolphin again. He never did. But every time he looked out at the ocean, he whispered, "Thank you." Sometimes, life sends us help from places we least expect. Sometimes, the universe answers our cries, not with angels, but with fins. Maybe that's what miracles really are, not magic, but mercy. Proof that we're never truly alone, even in our darkest depths. If this story moved you, don't forget to subscribe to Epic Life Hub, where we share stories that prove hope is real and miracles still happen. Speech balloon, tell me in the comments. Do you believe animals can sense when humans are in danger?